Hey guys, what's up? So this is going to be, oh, what is my hair doing? Yikes. Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be a moving vlog because if you're new to the channel, I am moving to New York City to start grad school, which is super exciting. I'm very excited, but we are in this like huge like U-Haul thing. Like all of my stuff is back there. You can't see it at all. But I got a new vlogging camera, so I'm really excited for that. Yeah, but I'm excited to take you guys along. I'm going to IKEA today for the first time, which is gonna be super exciting. But yeah, so this has been super requested for me to vlog this. So if you are looking forward to the vlogs, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let's go ahead and get moving. What's up, Gabby here. If you're new to this channel, then what's up? Hello, I'm Gabby. I am one member of the Swirl blog duo, and I'm vlogging my move to New York City. I'll be attending grad school in the city next year, and so I'm moving into my apartment here. Yeah, so I just drove up from Virginia to NYC this morning. Then I went to IKEA for a couple hours, and then I came back into the city to check into our hotel and go to dinner at the Smith. It was super delicious. Yeah, so tomorrow is move-in day for my apartment, so that should be a process. I have to put together all of my IKEA furniture, which is not going to be as fun as walking around the dream that is that store. Like, it's just so much fun, and there's so many fun things to just like explore and like pretend that you need to buy even though you don't really need it. But yeah, so that was a lot of fun, and I get to go tomorrow. And the really fun thing about that IKEA is that you can see the Statue of Liberty from the cafe, which was just like really funny. I was like eating Swedish meatballs and like posting on Insta stories, and then like there's the Statue of Liberty, and I'm like, what is my life? But yeah, so I'm super excited to be here. Like, yikes, I'm just so ready. And this moving process is gonna be kind of a lot, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun too. So I'll be bringing you guys along tomorrow. But yeah, that's all I have. I'm gonna edit today's clips and then go to sleep because I'm so tired. But yeah, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so aside from the fact that it is that it is 1,000 degrees outside, I am moving into my apartment, which is this space. There's a dresser in here for some reason, so that's gotta go. But I'm really excited. I'm about to move in all of my furniture. The natural light is so good in here. Like, oh my God, it's so good. My hair is a mess. I got lost on the subway this morning. It's fine. Yeah, but I have a these are like my two windows or whatever, and then you can look outside and there is the World Trade Center. But yeah, so I have a nice view of FDR, so cute. But I don't know, I think it's a pretty good view, honestly. But yeah, so I'm excited to get my room. Oh, it's so dark, come on. I'm so excited to get started moving things in. My dad should be bringing stuff up in a little bit. But yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Yay. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is my room before, and this is it after. So I don't want to give too much of it away, but basically because I'm going to do a full like room tour, but I have pretty much all my furniture out and up, but I also am waiting on my bed to come and to put up some artwork and stuff up here. So basically this is just kind of a rough draft. Also, it's like 3 days since no, not 3 days. It's like 2 days, maybe a day since I last vlogged. So yeah, today was my first day of orientation classes, and honestly, I'm sweating so bad right now. Like, so bad. Yeah, so it's like really not that hot outside, but it's so humid, and like I'm just sweating a ton, but that light is so good. Cute. All right, bye. I'm gonna go start organizing the kitchen. All right, so it's Thursday. I'm sweaty because I just brought my Lol mattress up from downstairs. And yeah, so now we're going to unbox this, but first I need some scissors. Okay, so I'm actually about to edit this video, and I realized I never did an outro, so I just wanted to say that that is the conclusion of my week in my life moving to NYC vlog. I'm super excited, and I will eventually do a room tour, of course, once everything is like together and I have like decorations and everything, and that's obviously gonna take time because your girl is a little broke right now. It's fine. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will be vlogging this weekend when my mom comes to visit. It'll be like a girls weekend vlog, so I'm really excited for that. Yeah, and then I haven't had like a shoot yet in the city, and I would love to do that. So if you know anyone who lives in the city who's like a blogger or a vlogger or just like a friend who would want some pictures, like tell them to hit me up. I'm really itching to get out there and use my camera. So yeah, that is the conclusion of my moving to New York City vlog. I will be doing a room tour really soon once I get all of my decor in place. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and like the video somewhere down here. If you enjoyed this style of vlogs, I want to do a lot more. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more of me. I am actually writing a blog post right now, so be sure to click that link down below and check out our blog as well. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye y'all.